is going on to all those that have or have not decided to invest in the Shiba Inu coin. And so this is going to be a different type of video because we are not talking about AMC stock. Now AMC is an equity, whereas Shiba Inu is a monetary asset. It is actually a coin. So depending on how you like to value all these different monetary assets, one is a coin and one is an equity. Just want to throw that out as a quick side note because in today's video, it will be majorly focused on Shiba Inu and how they just had very phenomenal news about their new Webull partnership. And this is not 100% confirmed yet because we are still in the beta testing, or at least that is what Webull is saying. But right off the bat, I'm already sure that a lot of us can already start expecting that Webull will confirm this as 100% and not just a beta test in the very near future. Why else would they be doing a beta test if they were not serious about trying to incorporate and merge the coin into the Webull platform? And also, going off of that note, if you guys do not already have Webull yet, make sure you guys sign up using the link in the description below so that when Shiba Inu decides to officially trade on Webull, you guys will have access to all of that. And because you guys use the link in the description below, you guys will win a chance to win upwards of $2,500, or in other words, $2,500, which therefore you could use it for whatever you want. And if you guys would like to deposit that money right back into the Shiba Inu coin, that is 100% up to you. My friends have already decided to do this because they are very excited for this confirmation of the Webull partnership with the Shiba Inu coin. Now, with that being said, this member of the Shiba Inu army decided to say almost there, which also we now have 209,000 members in this army. You gotta give credit to this coin because it is extremely relatively new in the market. This coin has been trading for less than 1 year. I believe it has been trading ever since the month of May, and it has already gotten so much attraction by a lot of the retail traders. And so why has it gotten a lot of attraction by the retail traders? Well, it is none other than Elon Musk. And so before we get into the Elon Musk news, let's first read at least what Webull had to say. So Webull News decided to say that the coin is now in beta testing. If you would like to join the beta test, comment "I want to join Shiba Beta," and you will be added to the list to trade the coin. And so here's where it gets even more exciting because Elon Musk's tweet about a Shiba Inu sends the Dogecoin spin-off token surging 16%. So let's go ahead and read more about this. The altcoin Shiba Inu spiked 16% minutes after Elon Musk tweeted about naming his Shiba Inu Floki. Now, I know this is not the most relevant news, but again, with this new Webull partnership, it is going to add a lot more conviction to a lot of investors. Why is it going to do so? When you have a powerful platform like Webull that is allowing, or almost near allowing, because again, it is not 100% confirmed whether Webull will do this, they might decide that after the beta test, we don't want to incorporate Shiba Inu coin, which I highly doubt. I think that right after Webull decides to do the beta test, because of how much of the retail traders want Shiba Inu on Webull, they want to trade it on Webull. They don't have that opportunity just yet, though. I think that Webull will decide to officially announce the incorporation between the coin and Webull very time soon. And remember, this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. That's just honestly what I'm guessing, though. With this powerful incorporation between the coin and the platform, more people will start talking about Shiba Inu without a lot of people saying that they are crazy. And so what do I mean when I say crazy? Well, if you talk about Shiba Inu right now, some people will completely disregard your opinion simply because they believe that it has yet to be a trustworthy coin. And again, a trustworthy coin meaning that it is not to the levels of Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these other coins that you hear a lot of people consistently talk about and a lot of celebrities talking about. But with Elon Musk, he has already been starting to talk about Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. And right now, I'm sure we can all agree that a lot of people don't like it when Elon Musk talks about Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. But here's the great part to this, because very soon this could all end up changing for the Shiba Inu coin. And that is because with more credibility that will come from the Webull incorporation officially, that will make it so that more people will start to trust this coin. If more people start having more conviction in this coin, more people will send this coin flying to the upside. And so that is what happened to Dogecoin. And I know that Dogecoin is down on the days and it has been down these past few weeks. But don't get me wrong, because Dogecoin goes up consecutively and then it also decides to flip and go down consecutively. But it's definitely in a cycle. And so Dogecoin is not completely going to go up forever, nor is it going to go down forever. There are definitely days where Dogecoin has 20% days, 10% days, and the same could happen to Shiba Inu, which right now we are not having that 100% as much as we are for Dogecoin. So I'm actually very excited about this new Webull incorporation that could be potentially happening. We just need that confirmation. And will Elon Musk decide to accept this coin as a payment form for Tesla? Dogecoin may already be a form of payment. Elon Musk has been debating about this for a long time, but he has already decided to accept Bitcoin. And so Dogecoin, I believe he has accepted it for Tesla, but I'm not 100% sure about that. So I'm going to have to double check. And so with this new coin though, don't get me wrong, anything is possible when it comes to Elon Musk. But why is he talking about this coin so much? And what I mean by that is he had to say this. He said that the Shiba Inu coin recently saw a massive spike over the last few days because Tesla founder Elon Musk named his dog Floki. And so Elon Musk owns a Shiba Inu dog. And then what happened with Elon Musk and the coin? So SpaceX founder Elon Musk recently tweeted about his dog, saying my Shiba Inu will be named Floki, and then that led to a rise in the coin, and it ended up going 25%. But at the same time, while the price was deciding to go up 10 to 20 to 25%, Elon Musk continuously tweeted, what should I name my dog? And so why is he asking these questions if in the future he may very well decide to accept this coin? Now, do not get me wrong, I am not saying that this has been 100% guaranteed. We are just trying to evaluate what he has said right now, because he did this with Dogecoin and he did this with Bitcoin. So we as investors can certainly evaluate what other people are saying so we can make our own inferences for any underlying equity and for any underlying coin. And get this, guys, this is what makes me even more excited about this coin. Right now, we are very, very close to having a breakout for this coin. And so, no, I'm not talking about the daily chart, but really quick, we may even be able to evaluate this right here. So one of the resistance levels that Shiba Inu is very, very close to breaking. And again, this is why I'm so excited. We need to break this level right here, but there's going to be also another level, and you guys will be able to understand this level far better. And so based off here though, you guys understand that once we break above here, it's over for any of the doubters that are against this coin. And that is simply because after it goes above this level and breaks this level, this stock has a gap fill, and this is an imminent gap fill. And surely you could say that, well, Shiba Inu actually has more resistance levels, and sure, you could say that there's another resistance level right here. And so we're just going to draw that very quickly. So yes, you could end up saying that, but if it ends up breaking here, I wouldn't be surprised to see the coin deciding to go immediately to the next resistance level, or maybe not 100% immediately, but to some extent go quickly to that next resistance level. And then from there, where does the stock decide to go? There are not really more resistance levels unless you decide to count all the way when you were at almost the peak of this coin. So that's what I'm trying to say right now, because we just have a gap fill. This is no different than a gap fill that you have for a lot of equity trades. And equities, again, when I say equities, I'm just referring to shares in the stock market. And I'm aware that this is not a stock. I'm aware that this is not even a share of a company, but at the same time, it is still a gap fill in my opinion to the upside. And so that is not even the best, because we have on the 1 month chart, the 1 month allows us to understand this far, far better. Ultimately, this gap fill is much, much better on the monthly chart, because as soon as we break this level, and maybe not even that level, we could raise this resistance bar a little bit higher. And so once we end up going there, we can delete this resistance bar. And where do we go from there? We go all the way to the upside. And so you may not even say that this coin would go all the way back to the wick, even though a lot of people have extremely high price targets for this coin, like 0.1 cent. But you could say instead of the wick that you would have your price target or your near-term price target at this level right here, which would be at the candle bar and not the wick, because the wick just means there's not enough demand to sustain the highs of the candle. But a lot of people, as I said, they're waiting for 0.1 cent. So ultimately, Shiba Inu investors, that's all I had to say in today's video. I think that the Webull Incorporation is going to be very bullish news for Shiba Inu, even if it is not reflected throughout the coin price. Do not worry, if any type of coin is traded on Webull, I believe that in itself is already amazing, because Webull is an amazing platform depending on what you are buying. For example, for coins, it is amazing because you don't really have a lot of the opportunities that you have on other platforms if you would like to buy or sell coins. But at the same time, Webull is not going to be the best for everything, because a lot of AMC investors have a lot of problems with Webull. So it really just depends on what platform you're using and for what purpose, and every trading platform has their own pros and cons. So with that being said, Shiba Inu investors, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next video.